Ready to upgrade in 2026? Today, we're pitting the Asus ExpertBook P5 against the Microsoft Surface Pro 12 to see which one actually earns a spot in your bag. These are two completely different beasts, so watch until the end. Before you drop any cash by the finish, you'll know exactly which one wins. Check the links below for the latest deals, and please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. When weighing the design and build of these two machines, you are looking at two completely different philosophies of portable productivity. The Asus ExpertBook P5 is a traditional clamshell that prioritizes a no-nonsense professional aesthetic. Its aluminum chassis feels purposeful and sturdy, meeting MIL-SPEC durability standards to handle the bumps of a daily commute. While there is a bit of minor flex if you hunt for it on the bottom panel, the overall construction feels dense and reliable. In contrast, the Microsoft Surface Pro 12 sticks to its iconic ultra-portable tablet roots. It is noticeably thinner and lighter than the Asus, aiming for an iPad-like level of portability. The matte metal finish and the famous integrated kickstand give it a premium, sleek feel that the more utilitarian Asus doesn't quite match. However, the Surface starts to feel a bit dated with its thicker display bezels, and because it relies on a detachable keyboard, it lacks the rigid lappability and structural oneness of the ExpertBook. The divergence becomes even more apparent when looking at the ports and connectivity. The ExpertBook P5 is a dream for anyone who hates carrying dongles. Despite its slim profile, Asus managed to cram in a generous array of physical connections, including two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, two high-speed USB-A ports, and a full-sized HDMI 2.1 jack. The ports are even reinforced internally for longevity, making it clear this machine is built for a long service life in a busy office or school environment. On the other hand, the Surface Pro 12 takes a much more minimalist and perhaps restrictive approach. By moving to a USB-C only setup and removing the proprietary Surface Connect port, Microsoft has simplified the layout, but at the cost of variety. You only get two USB-C ports, and notably, they lack Thunderbolt support, which limits your ability to use high-speed external drives or complex docking setups. While both devices are future-proofed with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, the Asus clearly wins on sheer physical versatility, whereas the Surface bets everything on a single-cable lifestyle. The visual experience on these two machines reveals a fundamental split between high refresh utility and portable versatility. The Asus ExpertBook P5 opts for a 14-inch 2.5K IPS matte display that feels tailor-made for long office hours or study sessions where glare is a constant enemy. Its 144 Hz refresh rate provides an incredibly smooth experience for scrolling through documents and navigating the interface, while the 400 nit brightness ensures it holds up well in typical indoor environments. However, it is strictly an sRGB class panel, meaning it lacks the deep blacks and vibrant punch of more modern display technologies. On the flip side, the Microsoft Surface Pro 12 uses a slightly smaller 12-inch LCD touchscreen with a lower 90 Hz refresh rate. While it is a step down from the flagship OLED Surface models, it offers a more intimate and interactive experience thanks to its touch and stylus support. It feels more like a high-end tablet panel comparable to an iPad Air, focusing on natural color reproduction and portability rather than the sharp, high-speed productivity focus of the Asus. When it comes to input and ergonomics, the ExpertBook P5 provides a traditional, tactile typing experience that many professionals will find superior for long-form writing. With 1.5mm of key travel, the keyboard feels deep and precise, though it does carry a bit of acoustic noise that might be noticed in a silent library. Its glass touchpad is expansive and tracks accurately, though the physical clicks feel a bit stiff compared to more premium Ultrabooks. The Surface Pro 12, meanwhile, is entirely dependent on its optional keyboard cover for any serious work. While Microsoft's keyboard offers surprisingly good spacing and a responsive trackpad, the fact that it is a separate purchase remains a point of friction. Furthermore, the Surface's lappability is inherently compromised by its kickstand design, making it a bit clumsy to use on a couch or an airplane tray compared to the rock-solid hinge and traditional base of the ExpertBook. Communication and audio features on both devices are functional, but highlight their different form factors. The ExpertBook P5 utilizes a 1080p webcam with a physical privacy shutter and IR support for Windows Hello. It performs admirably in well-lit rooms, but tends to struggle and look a bit washed out when the lighting dims. Its bottom-firing speakers are clear enough for a quick Zoom call or a YouTube video, but they lack any real bass or immersive depth. The Surface Pro 12 feels a bit more modern in this department, particularly with its front-facing 1080p camera that benefits from AI-powered eye contact features to make video calls feel more natural. Its dual speakers are positioned to face the user directly, providing a clearer vocal experience. Though, like the Asus, it won't be replacing a dedicated Bluetooth speaker for music or movies. Finally, the battle of endurance is a close one, as both machines benefit from highly efficient architectures. The ExpertBook P5 leverages Intel's Lunar Lake platform to squeeze out roughly 10 to 12 hours of real-world productivity, which is impressive for a standard clamshell laptop. It is a reliable partner for a full workday without needing to hunt for a wall outlet. The Surface Pro 12, powered by the ARM-based Snapdragon X Plus, excels particularly in standby efficiency and video playback. In active use, it hits a similar 6 to 10 hour window depending on the brightness and workload, though it can stretch much further during light media consumption. While both support modern charging standards, the Asus has the practical edge by including a 65-watt charger in the box, whereas Surface users may find themselves needing to provide their own USB-C power brick. The core performance profiles of these two machines represent a fascinating clash between traditional x86 architecture and the rising efficiency of ARM-based computing. The Asus ExpertBook P5 is built around Intel's Lunar Lake platform, specifically the Core Ultra 7258V, which is designed to provide a high ceiling for sustained productivity. With its 32GB of LPDDR5X RAM, it handles heavy multitasking and business applications with a level of raw muscle that feels consistent and reliable. On the other side, the Microsoft Surface Pro 12 utilizes the 8-core Qualcomm Snapdragon X Plus. This ARM-based setup is exceptionally quiet and cool, making it feel incredibly responsive during light web browsing and standard office tasks. While the Surface feels snappy in short bursts, the Intel-powered Asus is better equipped to maintain its performance during long, grueling work sessions where the processor needs to stay at a steady 30-watt sustain. When shifting the focus to creative editing and professional workflows, the gap between the two becomes more noticeable. The ExpertBook P5 serves as a surprisingly capable entry-level creator machine. It can comfortably handle photo editing in Lightroom and Photoshop, and it even manages 1080p or light 4K video editing without much struggle. Its 32GB of memory provides a significant safety net for creators who keep multiple high-resolution assets open at once. The Surface Pro 12 is certainly capable of handling similar tasks, especially in apps optimized for ARM like Adobe Lightroom, where the experience is smooth and efficient. However, as the projects grow in complexity or transition into heavy 4K rendering and large-scale Photoshop files, the Snapdragon X Plus begins to hit its limits much sooner than the Intel Arc-assisted Asus. While the Surface is a fantastic companion for a student or a casual social media creator, it lacks the professional overhead found in the ExpertBook. Gaming performance highlights a similar divide, largely due to the differing strengths of their integrated graphics. The Intel Arc 140V inside the ExpertBook P5 is a surprisingly robust GPU for a business-class laptop. It allows for genuinely playable frame rates in popular titles like Dota 2, The Witcher 3, or Doom on low to medium settings. It isn't a gaming rig by any stretch, but it offers enough stable graphical power for a decent experience after work hours. The Surface Pro 12 and its Adreno GPU take a much more conservative approach. While casual games and cloud-based gaming services run perfectly fine, native AAA titles are a struggle. The ARM architecture still faces some compatibility and optimization hurdles in the gaming space, meaning the Surface remains much more of a productivity and media consumption device than a casual gaming machine. The Asus manages to bridge that gap more effectively, offering a versatile performance envelope that covers both work and a surprising amount of play. Ultimately, the Asus ExpertBook P5 is the 2026 winner. While the Surface Pro 12 is great for ultra-portable tablet fans, the Asus wins on value, performance, and versatility. With its superior port selection, better keyboard, and more robust creative power, it's the smarter investment for most people. If you need a reliable workhorse, the ExpertBook is the clear choice.